ko. Okay lang po? Don't worry, Rexona model ako. Before, di lang napalabas. Sige sir, ipasok niyo sir. Ayan. So initially, I want you to lift me sa maximum strength na kaya niyo without the bracelet. Okay? 1, 2, 3! Okay, this time, carry it away na po. Okay na po. Mamaya babawi ako. Okay, so tama na. 187 pounds po ako. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mabigat sa akin eh. Yung tenga ko ata malaki. You can come forward. So this time, they will try to do it now with the bracelet. Di ba po ang magnet, if you remember when you were a child, 2 to 3 inches it can penetrate. This penetrates our skin instantly. Okay? So now they are doing it with a bioenergetic bracelet. Okay, listen muna.
Bioenergetic bracelet.
Dapat akin na tayo. That's the stand out. If in case may yes mo po ako, motion lang. Huwag po ako babasta. May yes po tayo sa stand. So, tanda ako. Can we do that? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to the Fantastic Four.
Banat kapatid, kay nakakaunyang gabi sa internet.
When you hear the word three, I want you to lead me sa maximum strength na kaya niyo. Okay? 1, 2, 3!
Wow! Give